All right, here we are, day 2, and we're still working on our. We're not still. We're going to work on our room designer here. Yesterday, what did I do? I fixed a couple of things, so I didn't capture it, but basically we are now. Do you know what a GitHub repo is?
No,
Do you know what GitHub is?
no.
GitHub is a service that lets you basically um, yeah. GitHub is a service that basically lets you put all your code, like every single thing that you type. It saves all of your information. And then whenever you make a change to your code, you can send it again, and then it keeps track of all your changes.
Cool.
And then it lets other people also take your code and they can work on their own version of it. And then they can make updates and then they can send it back to you. So it's really good for teams that are like a lot of people there, because some people can work on one part of the website, some people can work on another, and then they can all combine it together, and then it all goes out.
Cool.
That's like what a lot of the big sites out there do, like Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or
Yeah.
Google. Is that there's so much to it that they have one person working on one little thing, and then they do what's called a pull request, because they're pulling they want you, if you're the boss, they would want you to pull their code and put it into like the main website or the main thing. And they also do that for games, like any kind of game on app on the phone. So any kind of software development goes through this process. It's just good because otherwise you'd just be saving it on your computer, and then what happens if your computer breaks?
Yeah.
Or what happens if you're trying to work on it with someone else? They don't have access. So this is like a really easy way. And so, anyways, so I put all of our code on GitHub. I don't know why they call it Git.
That's weird.
It's kind of like Git. Anyways, so it's all there. And then I also asked, I did some housekeeping cleanup. So I asked the AI to like optimize the site, which is kind of what it did here. You could see all the changes. So like red means it deleted, and then green means it added.
There's a lot more green than red.
There's also quite a lot of red. If you could see it all up
Oh,
here, there's a lot
actually,
of
yeah.
red. And then, so you could see here on the side, it lists like what's red and what's green. So the additions and subtractions.
Yeah. There's still more green than red, I think.
It looks that way, but it actually told me it deleted like 20 lines of code or something.
Wow.
So it's pretty good. Anyways, so I haven't really tested it since then, since I made these changes. And of course, AI can break stuff. So we need to make sure that it works.
Let's make sure that it works.
So we're just going to test it out here. All right. So do we want to use this video?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go again. All right. So that worked. And well, let's put a budget of like 500 in there. And let's make the style like cozy.
That's what we did last time.
Uh-oh. What? This is the first problem. What the heck?
What?
When I selected cozy, what is happening here? See that? It shouldn't bring this. Do you see how it's bringing down the drop down
Mm-hmm.
to type in any style you want? That should only appear when you're doing custom style,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So I think that's our first issue. So we need to tell. We don't need to tell that. We need to tell Windsurf what to do. Can you do it?
Okay.
Come closer. All right. Go ahead.
So the when we try to get a category from the style and theme, it like the us like what do you call it? Another tab opens up below it, and it like says you can write your own, but that's only supposed to happen if you select the custom one. So we need to fix that.
Great job. The only thing I would say is that this is not a tab.
I didn't know what to call it. So.
Exactly. This is so these boxes where you type something in, they're called input boxes.
Input boxes, cool.
Yeah, because you input in things.
Yeah, that
you,
makes sense.
You put in text. A drop down This is a drop down menu because it literally drops, like you only see one, but then you click it and it drops down like a bunch more selections. So this is a drop down, and this is an input. Okay, so but I think it'll understand what you mean based on the context. So let's see what happens.
Let's try. Ooh, it's surfing.
Yeah. Found the issue on line 583, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to read it. It just said it fixed it. That's all that matters. Okay.
Alright, let's try.
Let's try it again. Do you notice? Oh, I don't know if you realized what I just did there. Did you see that I reloaded the page? Every time it makes a change, because this page is not just changing on the fly. It's like you load it and then it's like a book where it's just there.
Yeah.
And then if you want it to change, you have to flip the page. In this case, you have to reload the page. It's kind of like closing the book and opening it back up. And then what? Because like when you have the book open, well, you know what I mean.
Is this gonna be like a website explainer now?
I'm teaching you.
A website explainer video?
No. Well, it's kind of a website explainer video plus we're building a product.
Okay.
So it definitely is a teaching tool. I watch many of these videos where people are talking and explaining what they're doing.
I can see my hand.
But I've never seen one with a kid before. Like this is the first one I've ever seen where it's like a dad and his daughter. All right, so let's try it. We don't need to do that. We just need to do this.
No, let's do it.
It did it. It works. Okay, capture. Oh, sorry. Retake. Hey, also, this button looks weird.
What the heck did you do?
I don't know, but this remove button, it looks out of place, doesn't it?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
But it doesn't, it's not even the same size. It doesn't.
I know. It's cool.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
It's not important. Let's retake it. Oh, wait.
What
Heck.
do you keep doing?
I don't know. Ready? Wait. Like
What?
this is just awkward. I am awkward. You are not. Take it.
Yay! We can stop moving.
Okay,
My
so
muscles on my face were hard.
I'm gonna go cozy and I'm gonna do 500 like before.
500.
Generate product recommendations, designing your space. You know what I was also thinking that could be just fun?
What?
You know how like, okay, so 500, does this match up? You know what would be cool is if we wrote the budget as 500. This can be a range. It doesn't have to necessarily be one specific number, and it can be an input. It doesn't even have to be a number at all. You should just be able to type in whatever you want.
Yeah, but let's try this first before fixing that.
Okay. And then here it should say the range. Like on the low end, it should say X amount of dollars, and on the high end, it should say X amount of dollars. So you know what the budget is based on all of this, right? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna find on Amazon. Oh, I don't know if you notice, but down here
Search for throwaway.
it has our tag.
Oh yeah.
You see that? So up here, hopefully it has our tag. Yeah, tag, Subject Explorer. So we would get credit. Now, what the heck?
What is a desk chair cushion?
What did I ask for? A desk chair cushion.
What the heck?
Oh, it makes it really easy for you to sit. I like it. I don't know how. Okay, let's try it.
No, don't.
How
Do
about
the throw blanket, or the storage bins, or the wall art. String lights.
string lights?
String lights.
That's weird.
Fine. Do throw blanket. We'll do that later. Throw a blanket. Throw a blanket.
Okay, throw a blanket.
Those look so comfy. The first one.
Okay.
Oh, I want that. Can I have that?
Hey, come on. Save image. There's my throw blanket. All of these steps of like saving the image and stuff are too much. We'll fix it later. But there's my image of the throw blanket.
Why is it smaller? That's cool, but why
Well,
is it? Oh, because that one says your room.
yeah, it shouldn't actually be smaller. That's another bug we can fix. Okay, generate room design.
I love how the generate room
Oh,
design
so
has a wand on it.
I was saying here, you know how last time we were stretching? It'd be funny if we said take a stretch instead of just say, this may take 30 to 60 seconds.
Take a stretch.
Yeah.
I'm stretching now, and it feels very good, but it's not going to do me good.
Do some yoga.
No, yoga. Dad, I'm doing swim team after this. Oh, that's going to be hard. Ooh, rubber bands. Why isn't it stretchy?
I don't know.
I need to
I think Troy brought that.
He probably did. There's two there. It's been more than 60 seconds.
Has it?
I feel like it has.
It's been a while.
Why isn't it working?
Does this capture? So I'm opening up my developer tools. I don't think it's going to capture though. Yeah, no. Developer tools are for like programmers. Man, it takes a long time. And it lets you see what's going on behind the scenes. So, God, this is taking a long time. Got to do a big stretch for this. Actually, I don't think it worked.
Big stretch.
Oh, it did. It did. I mean,
what happened to my face? Dad, look at you.
It's certainly cozy.
Hey, where'd the defying gravity on my shirt go?
I don't know. Was it here? No, you couldn't even see it here.
Oh. Now you could. There's writing.
Barely.
It's so warm now.
It's very warm and cozy.
It got our camping
blanket.
gear, and it got my baskets. Why is the throw blanket on top of you? And is it on a couch?
I don't know.
What? What happened to our faces?
Can we download? Yeah, we can download. We can probably generate again. So remember, the goal of this time was to make sure that it works, and it works. There's nothing that doesn't work.
It made my skin darker and my hair less wavy and my face less beautiful. How dare it? These are my knees.
Why am I so little here? Okay.
You're very little.
So it works. So what I'm going to do here is, these control areas kind of tell you, well, this one lets you see all the files in the project. This one lets you search through all the text. This one is about source control. So this is like GitHub. So I can click on.
Yeah, I'm listening still, don't worry.
Oh, look, because I want you to do this next time. Yeah,
me?
Yeah, you.
I don't do code. You know that.
No, you're not really. I haven't really done code either. I'm just talking. So you can click generate, right? And this generate will look at all the changes you made.
It's cooking.
It's cooking. And it's going to write a big long list of all the changes that were made. And then you can't just commit, you go commit and sync. And that will then let you, it'll push all the changes to GitHub. And then eventually, which is like one of the next things that we're going to do, all done. One of the next things we're going to do is we're going to make this site and service accessible to everyone. Because we don't want to build it just for ourselves, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay, I'm going to start telling people about it.
Yeah.
I tell all my friends about my books.
You don't.
Especially at book club. The teacher keeps asking us if anybody here wrote a book, and I'm like, I wrote 3. And she's like, did anyone publish a book? And I'm like, I published 2. Oh yeah, people who are watching this on YouTube, I have my own 2 books. Dad's gonna publish the last one, but it's been 2 years and he hasn't.
Goals. Okay, so it works.
You just search for Fern the Leopard.
Yes.
On Chrome.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
On Amazon. You
On
get
Amazon.
Fern the Leopard on Amazon.
But on Chrome, I have my own website that has a bunch of short stories. So do that.
Yeah.
And I want to make toys to put on it.
Okay, let's stay focused on this project.
Focus.
Room designer. Okay, so it works. As I was going down the list, I was talking about changes to make. Do you remember what they were? Do you wait first before we make changes that I'm suggesting? What would you suggest we do?
Well, go down a bit. I don't like how that's green and blue. It's very out of place.
Are you in green and blue like the prices here?
And the words, yeah.
And the words?
I like the warm color theme. The green and blue just look out of place. And why are there cubes?
They represent unboxing.
Let's do hearts instead.
Okay. Go ahead and talk to it.
Okay, so where it says product recommendations, it's like all the words and pricing are like green and blue. I don't like that. I want you to change them to warmer colors. And I don't like how there's a cube symbol before the words. I want that to be changed into like a red heart or something, or a star, a yellow star.
One other thing is that we want to move the find on Amazon buttons like higher up on the list. So, because right now they're off on the right, but we want to prioritize them more. Make these changes, please.
Please. Did it catch my please?
We'll find out.
No, it didn't.
Please. All right.
You must. It's exploring. It's diving. It's thinking.
Mm-hmm.
Diving. Thinking. Index Philip?
Index.php.
It's sailing. Woo, it's sailing the ocean seas. Now it's thinking again.
Okay, so I'll read the high level. Change colors, replace cube icon with yellow star, and prioritize find on Amazon buttons. All right, let's see. Okay, let's capture a photo and then
What the heck,
generate
Dad?
product recommendations. It really doesn't matter.
Look at us.
It doesn't matter.
We're creepy.
I know.
Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen my creepy face. I'm gonna let that be a surprise. I have the most creepy face. Is it scary, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
I was at camp. Oh, nice. It's so different. I like it.
The find on Amazon button is too large.
Also, it's too orange.
Okay.
We need...
Ready to talk to it?
Yeah. The find on Amazon button is too large, and it's really orange. We need it to be like more yellow and red. And maybe a little bit of pink, but not too much because I don't really like pink. But still keep some orange. I really like the find on Amazon orange button.
Yeah, the find on Amazon orange button should be orange, but there's too much orange otherwise.
Yeah. How many times did we say the word orange in that?
Oh.
1,
A lot.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times.
I think it gets that we don't want this much orange.
We don't want this much orange. I think it gets I don't really want pink. I don't like pink that much. I like salmon though. Salmon's pretty. If you don't know, salmon is a mix between pink and orange. Dad, did you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I would be terrified if you didn't. Alright, but it's not my favorite color. Yellow is my favorite color. That's why I like the stars. He's looking. Look at us, we are so funny. With yellow, red, and just the Amazon button in orange. Much less orange overall, but still keeping the pop-up orange where you do. Okay, good.
Huh?
Huh? It just got more orange. I really like the shading on this though. It goes from light orange to dark orange.
Yeah, that's cool, but like.
And it made that not orange. It made it.
When I say the Find Amazon button is too large, I mean it's way too wide. It's so wide. It doesn't need to be that wide, but everything else looks pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I want the prices. I like how they fade from light orange to dark orange, but I'd rather them fade from orange to salmon.
And while we're at it, along with the product recommendations, we also want to include like the low end price range and the high end price range totals. So add that on somewhere.
Let's see if I can find that rubber band. I think it's in here. I can't see what I'm doing.
Yeah, please come back.
Alright. Well, at least we still have one. Sorry, brother. My brother tried those rubber bands.
It's okay.
Did you enjoy making your own videos?
No.
Really?
Yeah. I should.
You should. Do it next time when you're working with him.
All right, here we go again. Capture photo.
What the heck?
Recommendations.
Just so you know, I'm cleaning off my feet from dirt. So my hands are a bit dirty now. I don't care though. Dirtiness. Alright. It looks so empty now. I like the shading though. I want the Find on Amazon button shaded from yellow to red.
No, because Amazon is always the orange.
Oh.
It's like the theme of Amazon.
Okay, then I want like a big drawing in the empty spaces.
I think we should.
Oh, I got it. We should make like on. Oh, never mind then.
When it's like this, it's good.
It's gonna be on a phone like that.
On a phone, it's great like this.
Yeah.
But on a desktop, I think we need to go 2 across. So
yeah.
one, 2. So have desk accessories on the right and wall shelves on the left, kind of thing.
Yeah. You explain.
All right. No, you explain.
No, you explain.
Okay. This is important that you can explain.
Okay. Alright, so with the wall shelves and like with the product recommendations, I want to make it so that like the wall shelves are near the price tag, but then the desk accessories are where they are, but then the lighting's near the price tag, and like on and off switch like that kind of with all of them.
Okay.
I just copied you.
So we need to be specific. We need to like be as specific as possible. Okay, and we also
wall shelf, desk accessories, and lighting.
Yeah, but even I don't understand what you're saying. On the this is the keys. Okay, we need to say on a desktop because it's not going to apply to
a desktop.
It's not going to apply to a phone. On a desktop, we want 2 columns for the product recommendations, not just 1 per row.
Okay.
2 columns per row. Does that make sense? Then it'll be 1 here and 1 here. 1 here, 1 here. Okay, So let's try that again.
For the product recommendations, I want 2 rows instead of like two columns instead of like one row, but only on the desktop computer, not on the phones.
There you go.
I got it. Oof, I wonder why there are hooks on the ceiling. I wish there were hooks on my ceiling. I could hang a swing. We can hang a swing. I'll take that as a no.
V, please.
What? I'm getting something.
Please look. It's already done. Please put
Oh, that was
away.
loud. Never mind. Sorry.
Please stop. Okay, let's see. Made changes.
What? What did you do?
It's not even like.
It might work though.
One of the other changes that we made was that the AI said is that it's compressing all the images before it's sending, so it's faster as a result.
Great.
Aha! How is that?
Cool, but there should be 6 instead of 5.
Well, it could be 5.
No, it needs to be 6 so it's even.
Yeah.
Fine, 5 looks good. Is this darker than this?
I don't know.
It is.
Is it?
It seriously is.
This is F8, FC, and this is. It's the same.
Really? Why
Yeah.
is that one darker?
They're not.
They
See,
are.
now that they're all white, it's all the same. It just looks darker.
Why are they all white now?
I think it's an optical illusion because the gradient here is darker for sure. And
Yeah.
so because the gradient on this right side looks darker, these also look darker, even though they're the same.
But that's totally darker.
It's not. It's an optical illusion.
No, that one's darker than that one. That
It's
one's
not.
lighter.
It's not. They're
It
not.
seriously is.
They're not.
Look up close. It seriously
Okay,
is.
so anyways, so the
I know.
so got that.
It fades from light.
I'm gonna check if the budget actually works. So I didn't enter a budget last time, but now I will. My budget is 300. So let's see what happens. It's gonna be interesting. Also, we're gonna be done in like 10 minutes. I want to say.
Alright.
It's definitely below budget. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely below budget. We want to make sure that if we're entering a budget or whatever the case is, that we want to stay within 10% of the budget. Yeah. Give or take, but about 10%. Right now, the low end and high ends are way too way too low. Yeah.
And way too high.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens. This is gonna be kind of difficult. 'Cause-
1, 2, 3. You said yeah 3 times.
That's okay. This is going to be tricky because involves computation, like a calculator. Because you're going to have to like be adding products together. But
Something.
an AI, a brain, is not a calculator.
Yeah.
You understand?
3 plus 2 equals that.
All right, let's see what happens.
Let's try it. Let's.
So I'm entering 300. Did it? Yeah, it's modifying to generate. Okay. So I entered in 300. Let's see if it can actually get it now.
I heard some. Well, no, I saw it like get all white for a second. That was really weird.
Okay. Okay. All right. How was that?
That's good.
I think it's better.
310 though. That's a bit over.
That's okay. It's within 10%.
Oh yeah, and Dad, I realized why does this look darker than this? It's because it fades from light to dark.
Yeah.
And dark to light.
They're all light to dark. All right. I think we're pretty good here.
All right.
You know what I would do?
What?
What do you think about changing the price to like green instead of orange?
Yeah. Or blue. Blue would look good. Like a sky blue.
Okay,
or
let's
a
go blue.
navy blue. Or we could do an emerald green.
Here, emerald green. You tell it what you want. Okay, ready?
For like the prices, I want like a shiny sapphire blue with a bunch of sparkles, please.
That's so funny. You can tell that this is created by
Me. It's
so
by
not
me.
an adult.
It's not created by adults.
Yeah.
It's created by me. Alright. I'll stop.
That's amazing. All right, let's try it.
I'm tired. Stayed up till 11 last night. Again. Ooh, that's cool. Well, you were talking about these, right?
No.
No? I think we should make those words blue too, though.
Okay.
Just the words, though. When it says estimated total budget and it says the prices underneath that, like low end and high end, I want just the words and the money symbol to be like the shiny sapphire blue like the others. Please. Why did I do that? Well, what will it say I did? Oh, it doesn't get it. It's pretty though.
Yeah, it's better than before.
It would look better green though. You were right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Instead of the sapphire blue, let's make it green. Emerald green. And then shiny emerald green. And also update the other prices as well with this same shiny emerald green. I like how you can just interrupt it while it's working.
Yeah. Interrupt.
That's great.
Interrupt. Oh, I almost interrupted you. But yeah. It's great. From sapphire blue to shiny emerald green.
I like how it has sparkles. Exclamation point.
Sparkles. Sparkles.
Okay.
I love how it says perfect green heart. What? It says perfect green heart and then it says, oh wait, you can see it. Never mind. Never mind. What is your face? Ooh, see, that looks much better.
Is it easy enough to read?
Yeah, it's really good to read. I like it. It looks so good. This kind of clashes though, but I like that. Clashing, I'm not supposed to like though. It's a bit light. Maybe
What's
it should
light?
be the words right here and right here and right here. They're a bit lighter than this. So I think they should be a bit darker. Also, so you can read them better. Right now, they look kind of fuzzy. It's weird. Okay, in the estimated total budget, the numbers and words you made green, they should be a little bit of a darker green. And make them more shiny, please. And make them fading, like what you did with the others. Thank you. Please, thank you. Alright, it didn't hear my please, thank you, did it? I don't think it did. Oh, it did. Thank you, please, thank you.
Isn't it funny how you talk to a computer like a person?
I know, right? Hilarious. Alright, I like how I added these. When it made them into rows, it added.
That was there before, you just didn't notice it.
It did? Was?
Yeah, those are like reasons basically why it selected that.
Yeah. Proves adequate lighting for workspace tasks.
You know what?
What?
Now that we have the buttons for find on Amazon, we don't need the search term anymore. We
You're
never
right.
use it.
We never use it.
Okay, so that's going to be the next change.
Grab some deep forest green, dark emerald, and then to emerald. Nice. But I don't like how. We want to put the low end and high end more in the middle of the square. So higher up.
Also, now that we have the find on Amazon buttons, we don't need to display the search term.
So just get rid of that.
Yeah, delete it.
Delete.
You always want to be thinking to remove as much as possible.
But then we're going to remove the entire app and it's going to not exist anymore.
Ideally, the products would just arrive at your door without you having to think about it. Like, the AI would make all the orders for you and it would just all come together.
That would be so cool. But what if you didn't like something the AI gave you?
You could return it. And then the robot would take it away.
Oh. But what if it randomly bought you something and you didn't ask it to?
Maybe it would buy it for you for free. I mean, it's a gift. Wouldn't that be amazing? If your computer just randomly gave you gifts?
Cheating on Amazon. Amazon wouldn't like that very much.
Like,
neither would DoorDash.
I want free food. How's this?
That's the same. The low end and high end. The low end and high end in the estimated total budget have to be higher up so that they're centered with the blocks that are green. They have to be in the middle of them.
Oh, you mean the text itself?
The text itself. The high end and low end text.
Maybe let's reorganize that estimated total budget area and then put low end and high end closer together.
Yeah. And make a bunch of pictures of tiny cute cats and dogs and birds.
What?
This was definitely not made by a grown-up.
Does this even work?
I have no idea. Let's see.
I might have to delete the dogs.
Okay.
And cats.
No, you can't delete cats, Dad. What about the birds? Delete the birds instead of the cats.
Okay.
You must not delete cats. Even if they come out all funky looking, fine, then you can delete them. But
Okay, here we go again.
I was halfway through blinking when I took the picture. What did I do to my face? What did you do to your face? You don't have lips, Dad. You don't have lips.
This is what makes this video entertaining to watch.
Yes, this is a very entertaining video to watch.
Oh, there are some cats and dogs.
No, I meant actual pictures, not emojis.
No, I think it's good.
No, actual pictures. On either side, I want a cat and a dog. Instead of emojis of cats, dogs, and birds, I want on one side of the product recommendations a cat, and on the other side a dog, and make them very cute and pretty cartoony, but not very cartoony. And make sure they're colored, and don't make them emojis. This was definitely not made by a grown-up. Sorry, people who want it to be made by a grown-up. How dare you want it to be made by a grown-up, people who want it made
I don't think it's going to work. It says it's going to use SVG illustrations.
What's that?
It's going to try to draw.
It's going to try to draw?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I'm scared now. Oh,
This is going to be weird.
this is going to be weird. All right. Oh, yeah, people who are watching the video, try to guess how old I am. You're probably going to guess younger than I actually am. All right. Let's see if you get it. I like how they did more cats than they did the other animals, though. They did 4 cats, 3 dogs, and 3 birds. Go cats. Sorry, people who like dogs more than cats. I like cats. Why did this get blue? No blueness.
It was always blue.
It was?
No.
Oh. Cat orange?
All right, here we go. Let's try.
Oh, geez, I'm scared. Let's try. Crossing my fingers. Alright. Let's see. Cat is peachy orange. Dog is tan brown. Semi-realistic. It's cartoon style. Cute but not overly cartoonish. Positions on sides. Cat on left, dog on right of product. Where is it? Where is it?
Didn't
Where?
work. Yep, doesn't even work.
Ugh. Well, then let's make hearts there. Let's make hearts on either side of the product recommendations
Instead.
of cats and dogs. Make sure they're dark red.
What other color would hearts be? Black.
I've
Blue.
known people who make pink and purple hearts.
Have you ever seen a black heart?
Yes, I made one. Well, no, Sage made me one for my birthday. She made rainbow hearts, and they included black. So it was very cool.
Why is black so cool?
I don't know. It's a cool color. It's much better than white. White stains easily, and it doesn't let you blend in with stuff. Also, it doesn't look as pretty.
All right, here we go. Again.
I am so hilarious. See, that made you laugh, so I am so hilarious. I'm sorry.
I'm just tired.
You're just tired. How much did you sleep last night? Didn't you like take a nap halfway through?
It's not working.
What is it?
Your hearts.
Ugh.
Maybe it didn't understand where to put them. Oh, there they are.
There they are. No, on either side of the estimated total budget. No, on either side of the estimated total budget. Also, it needs to be red, not pink. And I told you it would be pink. Oof. How does this lean back, Dad?
Hold on. Is it going back?
Yeah, but
No, now try. No?
it is, but
Now try.
it is, Dad, but it's
You just
hard
don't
to...
weigh enough.
I'm not heavy. No, I'm not heavy. How
You're not
dare
heavy.
they? Oh. The chair is supposed to like lean back.
Actually, it did a really good job at drawing the hearts.
Those
I'm
are emojis, Dad.
surprised. They're not. We could try cats again.
No.
Because I'm sure they were there before. We just didn't see them.
True.
Let's try it.
But let's try this first. Yay, you smiled.
I make a very sad face next time.
Okay, we will.
Oh, that's so annoying.
Boo.
Gotta wait and wait and wait.
Wait.
Half of this is waiting.
No, inside of it. No, inside of the product.
Inside of
the estimated total budget.
container.
On either side of the low end and high end.
Yeah, and also let's change them back to cats and dogs.
Just cats.
Just cats.
Cats. Sorry, I'm bumping him.
Just cats. Just cats.
I just said cats. I didn't say just cats. But yeah, see, I told you they would not make them red. It made them pink before.
Okay, we really have to finish soon.
All right. Am I gonna be late for swim team? Oh no, wait, it's in 3 hours. Okay, I'll stop. All right. And it's so loud. I wish they would stop mowing the lawn.
Why does it do 3 to 5 every time?
3 to 5? What 3 to 5?
I mean, 5 product recommendations. Whatever.
I don't know. It's cool though. Look at me. That wasn't sad, Dad. That was.
You're right.
Mine wasn't very sad though either. Look at the inside of my lips. They're very pink. What the heck? Are those maracas?
No, they're cats.
No, those are potatoes. They're potatoes. Look at the potatoes, everybody. They look like potatoes. You need to make them actual, cute, fluffy, cartoony cats with giant eyes that are much bigger and only 2 of them.
And very cute.
Very, very cute. Not potatoes. Look at the potatoes. Though. Seriously, don't you see those are potatoes?
Yeah.
Potatoes.
But at least it got it in the right spot.
Wait, go back to where you were before. Here?
Huh? No.
No. Where were you
Don't
before?
touch that.
Where were you before? With the... Yeah, there. Make this bigger so they can see the potatoes.
Oh, okay.
Look at the potatoes, everybody. Wait for it. Wait for it. Potatoes. All right. All right. That was cool.
Shrink it back down.
Move it back. That's good.
Move it back.
Move it back. That's good. Woo, woo, woo. All right. No more potatoes in my app. No more potatoes in my app.
Oh, God.
With giant eyes.
Just thinking about how to make this an app and not just a website.
I know. That'll be so cool.
Yeah, so cool.
What were you thinking?
A lot of work.
Yeah, okay.
Not cool. All right, let's try the potatoes.
I started to smile because you were doing that face. That's hilarious, Dad. How did you do that with only one lip? Ow.
Imagine if professionals see me doing this.
They're still potatoes. Excuse me, they're still potatoes.
And they're not
Cute.
They're not cute.
No.
I think we should drop them.
No.
I think we need to drop them.
No.
Yeah.
Fine. Make them hearts again.
Make them hearts again. And
Dark red.
yeah, dark red, and put them next to the low end and high end on the left and right. And forget the cats and dogs.
You mean the potatoes?
Yeah, exactly.
Did it catch the... Do you mean... Wait. Cats and...
Oh my
And
God,
forget
I
the
just
cats
had
and
deja
dogs.
vu.
You had deja vu. Why? Why, Dad?
I remember this time in 5th grade where I was playing a video game with my friend. And in the video game, we would kind of not quite talk to it, but there would be like a dialogue. I think it was on a Sega Genesis. And it reminded me of this.
There would be potatoes in it? They were supposed to be
No,
cats?
it was like a fighting game.
Oh.
It was like,
Boo.
maybe it was like Double Dragon or something like that.
Oh, cool. Wait, did you fight the dragons?
Double Dragon was just like a ninja fighting game.
Good. It had nothing to do with dragons that are being killed?
Not really.
What do you mean, not really?
No, I don't think it did. I didn't see any dragons in it.
Good.
Okay, let's try. This is the last one.
Remove the potato cats.
Goodbye, fluffy potatoes. It has a sense of humor.
It has humor.
Okay.
That's good.
That's fine.
It's fine, but alright. Good.
I don't care. Okay.
We should be done.
That's it for now.
Bye bye.
Peace.
I don't know what I'm doing.